Flavors for Life healthy culinary movement.
Let's learn about citrus fruits. What are citrus fruits?
Citrus fruits are derived from flowering citrus trees and shrubs. They are notable for their thick rind and unique flavor, what can range from sour to sweet. They are typically high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants.
Top citrus fruits.
Blood orange, Buddha's hand, clementine, citron, grapefruit, kumquat, lemon, lime, mandarin orange, pomelo, tangelo, tangerine, ugly fruit, yuzu fruit.
Citrus fruits health benefits.
Supports digestive health.
Protects against kidney stones. Combats cancer cell growth. Improves brain function. Promotes heart health.
For more information about the Flavors for Life culinary movement, please visit www.flavorsforlife.org.